So I think previous classes exercise 5.1 question number 26 completed, and same as question number 27, 28 and 29 also. These three questions are same as from question number 26. So try these three questions. Now question number 30. Question number 30, exercise 5.1, page number 161, chapter continuity. So question number 30 is, find the values of a and b such that function is defined by, here f of x given, f of x is 5 if x less equal to 2, x plus b if 2 is less than x is less than 10, 21 if x greater equal to 10, is a continuous function. Function given continuous and point not mentioned. So function continuous means it is continuous at everywhere. So it is continuous at everywhere means it is continuous at x equal to 2 and x is equal to 10 also. अब फंक्शन यदि कंटिन्यूअस हो every point of the domain of the given function, then you check that function continuous at the turning point. Turning point पे check करनी है. So what is the turning point here? One point is 2, when x less than 2 function value 5 and x greater than 2 function value are different. So 2 is a turning point. Similarly 10 is a turning point. So function continuous at everywhere. So it is continuous at 2 and 10 also. 2 and 10 क्यों suppose कर रहे हैं? Because 2 and 10 both are turning point of this function. So solution, since f of x is continuous function, therefore it is continuous at x is equal to 2 and 10. Function given continuous, so continuous at 2 and 10. And since 2 is a turning point and function value when x less than 2 and when x greater than 2 function value are different. So now find LHL and RHL. So at x is equal to 2, at x equal to 2, since f of x is continuous at x equal to 2, so therefore limit x tend into 2 minus f of x is equal to limit x tend into 2 plus f of x is equal to f of 2. When function is continuous, then left limit is equal to right limit is equal to point function value. Now put function value. So limit x tends to 2 minus f of x. What is f of x? Here x less than 2, then function value is 5. Limit x tend into 2 plus when x greater than 2, that is 2 plus means x greater than 2. When x greater than 2, then function value is ax plus b. And what is f of 2? When x is equal to 2, when x is equal to 2, then function value also 5. This is 5. Put x is equal to 2, no value of x, so is equal to 5. Put here 2, so 2a plus b and is equal to same as 5. So one equation is 2a plus b is equal to 5. This one equation suppose first. Now at x is equal to 10, at x is equal to 10, since limit x tends to 10 minus f of x is equal to limit x tend into 10 plus f of x is equal to f of 10 also, बट यही दोनों से वैल्यू निकल जाएगा। जैसे यहाँ पे आप एफ ऑफ 2 की वैल्यू पुट किए तो इसका यूज़ कहीं नहीं हुआ, ये लिमिट वैल्यू ही आ गया, लेफ्ट मिड वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू पॉइंट फंक्शन वैल्यू आ गया। तो आप यहाँ पे आप छोड़ सकते हो इक्वल टू एफ ऑफ 10, आप नोट भी कर सकते हो। सो लिमिट एक्स टेन इंटू 10 माइनस दैट इज लेस देन 10, when x less than 10 then function value is ax plus b is equal to limit x tend to 10 plus that is greater than 10, when greater than 10 then function value is 21. Now put limit x is equal to 10, so 10a plus b is equal to 21. This is question second from 1 and 2. So subtract first from second. First is 10a plus b is equal to 21 and second is 2a plus b is equal to 5. Now subtract, this plus minus b cancel, 10a minus 2a 8a, 21 minus 5 16, so a is equal to 2 and put value of a in 1. So first imply b is equal to 5 minus 4, that is b is equal to 1. So this is the value of a and b. Now question number question number 31 same as example number 19. So read question number 31. What is question 31? Question 31 is, question number 31, f of x is equal to cos x square, same as example number 19. 13 same as example number 19, पेज नंबर 158. सेम क्वेश्चन लगा लेंगे ये. एंड 32 mod cos x. Mod cos x same as example number 20 also. 32 here f of x is equal to mod cos x, so that the function defined by this is a continuous function. Point is not mentioned, so that continuous at everywhere. At everywhere means आप डोमेन में कोई पॉइंट सपोज करोगे, जनरल पॉइंट, और उस पॉइंट पे दिखाएंगे फंक्शन को कंटिन्यूअस. सो इट इज ए कंपोजिशन ऑफ टू फंक्शन. वन फंक्शन इज cos x and other function is modulus function. So mod of cos x, it is a composition of two function. First function modulus function and second cosine function. So suppose let g of x is equal to mod of x and h of x is equal to cos x. Here there are two functions. First function modulus function. So suppose g of x is equal to mod x, and next cosine function cos x. So suppose h of x is equal to cos x. Now find its composition. So g composition h. Now g composition h at x, by definition this can written g of h of x, g of h of x. And what is the value of h of x? Cos x. So g of cos x. And what is g of x? G of x is mod of x. So here g of cos x is mod of cos x, and mod of cos x is f of x. So this is equal to f of x. So f of x is the composition function of g and h. F of x is the composition function of g and h. So that f of x is continuous, we have to show that g composition h is continuous and point is not given. So suppose c is any point of the domain of the given function, any point suppose कर लेंगे c. So that this function is continuous at c. For this, first we have to show that h of x is continuous at c. So write any point. So since domain of this function is all real number, so let c be any element of domain of f of x. And what is the domain? Domain here set of real number. So c is any real number. Now so that h of x is continuous at c. Since h of x is equal to cos x, now find limit, that is so that this function is continuous. इस फंक्शन को हमें क्या करना है, c पे दिखाना है continuous, और g फंक्शन को क्या दिखाना है, h of c पे continuous. पीछे थ्योरम बताएं, एक एग्जांपल भी कराएं इसे. So first we show that h of x is continuous. So find limit x tends to c, h of x is equal to limit x tending to c, h of x equal to cos x. Put limit value cos c. So limit value is cos c. Now find point function value, that is h of c is equal to also cos c. So limit x tending to c, h of x is equal to h of c. So therefore h of x is continuous at x is equal to c. Now we show that g of x is continuous at h of c. Since h of c is a real number, because c is a real number, h of c is equal to cos c, and cos c is also a real number. So now we show that g of x is continuous at h of c. G of x is continuous at h of c. So find limit. So limit x tends to f of c, h of c, g of x is equal to limit x tending to h of c. What is the value of g of x? G of x is mod of x. And since mod of x is continuous, आप डायरेक्ट भी नोट कर सकते हो, पहले हम दिखा चुके हैं, ये हम पहले दिखा चुके हैं, ये mod of x को हम continuous दिखा चुके हैं, इसको आप डायरेक्ट भी नोट कर सकते हो, इसको आप डायरेक्ट नोट कर दो. Since g of x is equal to mod of x, and we know that mod of x is continuous at everywhere. या पहले हम इसको कंटिन्यूस प्रूफ कर चुके हैं, आप इसको दिखा सकते हो. आप mod of x प्रीवियस एग्जांपल देखोगे, पहले बता चुके हैं. सो वी नो दैट mod of x is continuous at everywhere. So it is continuous at x is equal to h of c. h of c also a real number. दीदी बाहर है ना. So x is continuous at h of c. So therefore g of x is continuous at h of c. G of x is continuous at h of c, and h of x is continuous at x equal to c. Therefore g composition h of x is continuous at x is equal to c, that is this is the value of f of x, that is f of x is continuous function. Here point not necessary mention because function is continuous, that is function continuous everywhere. So same as example number 33. एग्जाम्पल 33 का हिंट देते हैं. एग्जाम्पल 33 में सपोज कर लोगे, फर्स्ट सपोज हियर एफ ऑफ एक्स फंक्शन इज साइन मॉड एक्स. So let g of x, here there are two functions. First function is sine and other function is mod x. So suppose g of x is equal to sin x and h of x is equal to mod of x. आप सेम निकाल लोगे इसी टाइप से बन जाएंगे. एंड एग्जाम्पल या क्वेश्चन नंबर 34 इज सेम एज एग्जाम्पल नंबर 20. This is question number 33, not example. This question number 33. Question 34. Here mod x minus f of x is equal to mod x minus mod x plus 1. So suppose let this function is g of x. G of x is equal to mod of x, and this one suppose h of x. H of x is equal to mod x plus 1. So f of x equal to what? Are you know difference of two continuous function is also continuous? Difference of two continuous function. So therefore f of x is equal to g of x minus h of x, and this can written f of x is equal to g minus h at x. We know that modulus function is continuous at everywhere. आपको एग्जाम में यह दिखाना होगा, पहले हम दिखा चुके हैं. मॉड ऑफ एक्स इज कॉन्टिन्यूअस, ये कोई थ्योरम नहीं है, हम पहले ये प्रूफ कर चुके हैं, तो आप उसको यहाँ पे कैरी फॉरवर्ड करोगे. वी नो दैट मॉड ऑफ एक्स इज कॉन्टिन्यूअस एट एवरीवेयर. सो मॉड ऑफ एक्स प्लस 1 ऑल्सो कॉन्टिन्यूअस, आप इसको प्रूफ करना है यहाँ पे. सो देयरफॉर g of x and h of x, therefore g and h both are continuous, क्योंकि mod of x is continuous, and we know that difference of two continuous function is also continuous. So therefore g minus h is continuous and g minus h is f. So f of x is continuous function. f of x is continuous. ये पूरा कर लेंगे. So this chapter is completed. Now next day start differentiability. आप इसको पूरा कर लोगे. Okay.